Hey y'all, so today I will be showing you how I created these decorative gold vases with geometric lines. I've been really into home decor during this pandemic, so let's get to it. So here's a montage of just some things that I picked up from the Dollar Tree for this project. All of these items, yes, were from my local Dollar Tree for $1. I really wasn't sure what I was going to do with these items or what design I wanted to do on those glass vases, so I just picked up items that I thought would be helpful for this look and for my next crafty project. I already had that washi tape and painter's tape from previous projects. And then this silver and gold spray paint I already had from a previous project early in this year as well. Okay, so to start this project, I didn't really have a rhyme or reason. I just used this washi tape as you can see here, and I just kind of played around with it and wrapped it, or started to wrap it around these glass vases in curved geometric lines. I prefer washi tape because I just feel like you have more control, especially if it's like as skinny as this is. Possibilities are endless when it comes to washi tape, and this, of course, as you can see, like here how I placed it, I didn't want any of the lines to really connect, so this was really like a abstract kind of thing I did. But yeah, I just like using washi tape because it peels up easily. So yeah, you can literally use anything. You could use washi tape, you could use thicker tape to do like vertical lines across these. You could even use like stickers. I thought of possibly as like stencils, like let's say you wanted it to have like a butterfly silhouette or like flower shaped silhouette stars. You could do anything, but I just liked using the tape because as you could see how I'm kind of putting it like at the top and curving it over the inside of the vase. So that way after like the paint dries, it'll be easier to peel up. So yeah. Okay, so in this next slide here, we have my two vases that I had taped over. Now this project got really messy. I'm actually on my back patio, and what I did was I used what are those Dollar Tree like tablecloths to use as like my mess shield. Cause look, see how it got messy? So the nozzle on like spray paint cans can really be annoying. So what I did there, I just started to press it down and I used my little painter sponges and just played around to see like what effect will it have on the glass vase. So I just continued to like spray down as much as I would need, and I used that sponge in a really light rotating motion, and it took me a few times to figure out like how can I do this effectively. That was like too much, so I ended up actually like just spinning it around, whether on the bottom or putting my hand in the inside. So that's what I started to do. I just started to spin it around, and I thought, hey, let me mix the silver with the gold because I didn't want my design to be like real, like stark gold, like super bright gold. So I started with spraying a little silver on the glass vase, which it was getting messy. So then I used my sponge there and I just went back and forth in between both and rotated it around the glass vase to give it like a brushed nickel look. I'd say a brushed metal look. Yeah, this was just total freestyling. I think this was like either a Sunday or a Saturday, and I just wanted to do something decorative. In my opinion, I like to make things. Certain things, yeah, you can buy, but why do that when I can make things unique to my style? And you know, it's actually really therapeutic to sit there and paint. By the way, when I was doing this project, I did have my face mask on Spray paint is, you know, very airborne, so you want to make sure that you also have on a mask if you're doing any projects that require like a spray or aerosol adhesive. Yep, so I just kept spinning it around. Ooh, look at that. See how silver it was? Those would have been nice in just silver too. I might make more actually for my bedroom, but I just went back and forth, like I said, and alternated with gold. So at this part of the video, it got cut off. I didn't get to go back over to show you how I did with the gold, but I pretty much mixed it the same way I did the silver. So here is the end result. I just started peeling back the washi tape. See how easily that just peels off? And although it seems like a little messy there, I will show you a way of removing some of that mess that gets in the middle of where your washi tape was, and to just kind of clean up the edges of what you've done. But I absolutely loved doing this. You know, if you guys have any ideas or anything else you'd like to see, let me know. So here I used a razor where I was having difficulty pulling up the edges of the washi tape, and that's just a simple like eyebrow razor. It was what I had readily available to me to do this. So I'm just using this razor to basically like clean up any lines and just get any of the paint that bled through the washi tape. Okay, this is another way to get some of that messy overspray of paint or like bled through paint off of. Also on the inside, because the overspray can get in there, I basically rubbed, that's acetone on that paper towel. So yes, nail polish remover acetone, it will get a paint. Spray paint is similar to nail paint, you know, it's an enamel. So I just thought, oh yeah, I have acetone, let me go ahead and do that, and see how it's just like literally getting up any of that extra, you know, residue of spray paint. And voila, here are your finished decorative geometric line vases that have like a brushed metal, silver, not too gold look. I absolutely love these. I love them. I love that they're unique. I love that they're similar yet different as well in the way that I place the washi tape for the lines. Here are some Dollar Tree fake flowers that I got. I bent up the ends so that way they would sit in the vase properly and kind of be bunched together in a bouquet. My theme for my living room and dining room is basically real coastal, blue tones, gray tones, neutrals. So I just thought that these blue flowers would offset the golden, like brushed gold look of these vases. And see how easy that is? There's probably like maybe 6 bushels of flowers in there. So 6 bushels of flowers, that's what, $6 at Dollar Tree. The vase, $1. Everything else I had at home. So see how affordable like home decor can be. It's really not too like expensive, too extensive to afford. And look at that, that looks like something that you probably could have purchased at Z Gallery, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. So yeah, here I switched it up and I put some pink flowers in there. So yeah, I'm telling you, try it out. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, and drop some suggestions in my comment box. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.